Hey guys, hello, this is Sukruta, and I started learning copywriting uh, 3 weeks or 4 weeks ago. Yeah, I have been posting content about content and copywriting both on my channel, but because of some reasons, I need to give up. I'm not that consistent. I am always inconsistent in my learning journey of copywriting, but now I am back with consistent journey. I'm not going to give up this time. I promise myself that I'm not going to give up this time in my learning journey of copywriting. So I am back again because after all this long break, not posting anything. Now I am back and I will regularly upload everything about copywriting I know. So in this video, I'm going to walk through you guys on the sales page I wrote for a coaching program. So I just sent this as a free sample for that woman who is a therapist. So she didn't even reply to me. I also didn't got follow up to her. I actually need to follow up her after this video. So now in this video I'm going to walk through guys the sales page I have wrote for that coaching program, and I'll walk through you guys about everything I wrote, how I wrote, how to research everything. So please go through the video till the end, and yeah, and now watch the video with full concentration. You are going to get full value in this video.
Here are my copies. So yeah, I am actually writing sales pages too. Let me show you the sales pages first. I would love to show you my sales pages. So this is the sales page that I wrote for them, for the therapist. I completely offered it for absolutely free. I sent it as an attachment in my email. I found out their email through their Instagram, through their website, through their courses, and through their LinkedIn too. And this is a sales page I wrote for them. And I'm just going to walk through the sales page I wrote, and it took me more than 3 hours because 1 hour for researching and another 2 hours entirely dedicated to writing the sales page. So in terms of researching it, there comes a lot of things. So I completely researched on Reddit because you can get any type of information. You can do the research. You come to know about your prospects, target audience, pains, desires, everything. You will get to know about everything about your target audience for whom you are writing. You can get all these questions, you can get all these answers, the doubts, the pains, the desires, the fears, like everything, their objections, the primary objections. You can get to know the answers to all of this on Reddit. You can get them. I usually research only on Reddit. You can also go through YouTube comments, Quora, FAQs. You can I will probably do a video on explaining how to do research before writing a copy. Okay, so if you want, just comment down. I'll definitely do that for you guys. But before that, let me walk you through the sales page I wrote. Oh, so this is a headline. So headline matters the most. It is very important, and this is feel like you have lost yourself. It's time to rediscover the real you with a powerful 6-month transformation journey. So we need to exactly know the pain points of our target audience for whomever we are writing. So I came to know about their pains on a Reddit too. I just searched postnatal depression, and there came a lot of questions. Just women talking to each other, just sharing their journeys. How I gone through mood swings, how I have gone through stress, depression, anxiety, overthinking, crying like a hell. I get to know about their pains, which is very important whenever we are going to write a copy. So yeah. So next, did you ever experience the magic of rebirth? Have you ever felt like you're truly starting over? Like you finally trust yourself, let go of fear, and allow yourself to feel everything. And you need to iterate storytelling into your copy. Whenever you're writing, whatever it is, no matter what, a storytelling just transforms everything. It increases the sales because you know the prospects, whoever reading your copy, feels that you're talking to them personally. You are describing every move through copy, so they will feel connected. to whatever you're writing, to whatever you're describing, to whatever the situations, the scenarios you're describing. The reader gets connected. So you need to incorporate storytelling into your copy. That's very, very important, and you need to remember this every time you write the copy. Don't forget this point. And headlines are the most important because they drive the reader's attention to read the copy till the end. It's not just limited to just to grab the reader's attention, just to read the headline and the body copy. It's also important to drive the reader, to hook the reader until the end of the page. Okay, it's not only important to hook the reader, to grab the attention of the reader just to read the headline and some body copy, something like that, but also you need to hook the reader to read your entire copy till the end. That's very important. Okay, so I incorporated storytelling into the sales page. So just imagine stepping into the old as your true self, free from the expectations others placed on you. Picture yourself waking forward, no longer carrying the weight of others' opinions, just being who you truly are. So yeah, imagine, picture, these are very common when you are about to start a storytelling. Even in today, you don't need to use these two words specifically, like imagine and picture, because these are very common things people use whenever they're writing the copy. I've seen myself many real copies on the internet just incorporating storytelling into their copy, just saying imagine, picture yourself, imagine yourself. But people would know that you are using the trick, so better not to use these words, use something advanced. I'm just telling you because, yeah, and it's like breathing fresh air, holding it in for too long, like finally seeing light after years in dark. You have to explain the fear, the pain point that they are experiencing throughout the years in a type of story. So like you also need to use bullet points in your copy, like free, honest, yours. Like that moment changes everything. That's the day my lady. Ah, it actually hooks the reader to stay connected with you. Okay, this is important. And when you experience the realm of being reborn, and you take care of everyone around you, but when it comes to taking care of you, you feel drained. It's not that you don't love yourself, you just haven't been taught how to navigate your fears, your overthinking, your anxiety, your self-doubt. And the experience of being reborn is only achieved when you first discover yourself, because I'm actually connecting this line to the copy I wrote in my first line. Yeah, it's in the line below the headline. It's time to rediscover the real you with a powerful 6-month transformation journey. Here it is the rediscovered word, and I connected that to here. The experience of being reborn is only achieved when you finally discover yourself. Okay, alright. And let's be honest, at least this time. When was the last time you felt like you're not taking charge of your own life? You felt like you're overthinking a lot. You always prioritize what others think in your life. You keep limits to your thinking, your goals. You became tired of dealing with stress, with anxiety, emotional depression. You lost all your confidence and you're not aware of your self-worth. See here, what I'm doing is that tricking the reader that they already experienced it. These are actually situations. What I wrote here, you felt like you always prioritize, you keep limits, you became. So whatever I wrote here, these are actual the experiences that were already faced by the woman who is reading this. Okay, you need to try to write in a way that the woman already experienced it. So if you want to write in this way, you need to research a lot before writing. That's why research is the key to everything. Only after researching a lot. Okay, alright. Yeah, this is this yellow color box. This is call to action. CTA. Embark on your self-discovery together. And here I am introducing the Shape coaching program. Huh? Okay. Oh yeah, cool. So this is actually what's special about it is that this is my first first ever sales page copy I wrote in my entire life. This is the first sales page copy. I tried my level best, and before writing this, I researched a lot. I noted down each point on my notebook about what are the target audience. Here, the target audience is women, and yeah, it's common that woman takes care of everyone around the family, but she doesn't take care of her. So this is about women, uh, remembering the woman that to take care of herself, and the woman who is already going through stress, anxiety, who have self-doubt and everything. This course is especially for women, and before that I researched a lot. Research is the key, and I love researching too, because we get to know about their experiences. I can't stress this word research enough because it's that important. I hope you guys understood the importance of researching before writing a copy.